Welcome on into another video. My name's Luke W, and in this one, I'm going to show you how to get a VPN so we can buy all the best altcoins on Binance.com. If you're familiar with Coinbase, they only have a small offering of cryptos compared to the vast amount of altcoins on Binance. This is also an updated video to the one I made previous because there's going to be some critical information that you'll need to know in this video if you actually want to send your crypto out of Binance to any other account. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, and I'll have all the links you'll need right below in the description box of this video. Let's jump in and get to it right now. So we are here in Binance.com. By the end of this video, I'll show you how to register your account safely so you're able to buy and sell crypto no matter what country you are in. Now take a look at this. Binance banned in countries. The UK's financial regulator has banned Binance from operating in the country, joining Canada and Japan. This article was written just 3 days ago. So as cryptocurrency becomes bigger and bigger, the big companies want you to get less and less of it so they can scoop it up for the low. When you have literal countries like El Salvador and Paraguay making cryptocurrency legal tender in their country, you know there's a huge digital revolution on the way, and the powers that be want you to stay out of it while the institutions, companies, and countries scoop it up. We're seeing Africa, South America, and Central America looking to make Bitcoin and other cryptos part of their currencies because the US dollar, which is backed by nothing but debt, and other fiat currencies around the world are realizing that decentralized cryptocurrency is the way of the future. So let's get out of this, and I'm going to show you how to get these cryptos before the big bull run takes off once again. We've seen a massive dip, and this is to scare all the weak hands out of the market. So if you're buying at this low point right now, if you're watching this video in the future, you probably know that crypto has gone up a lot since now. So the first step we're actually going to need to do is set up a Proton email. This is a totally secure encrypted email service, which is absolutely free. And all you need to do is come over to press sign up, enter in a username, password, repeat the password, and your account will be created. You need one of these new encrypted ProtonMail accounts because when we go to Binance, we don't want to set it up with a Gmail or a Yahoo or anything that resembles the United States. We want an encrypted email account. So I will have the link right down below. Just click on that in the video description and you'll get here. I just made a new test account today to show you guys an example of this, but I went through the whole process earlier and verified that this does indeed work every step I'm showing you today. The next thing you need, which will also be linked right below in the description, is your VPN. Now I've looked at NordVPN, so many other ones, and Surfshark has the lowest price, and I've already been using it for 4 or 5 months with zero issues at all. You can see I'm already logged into it right here, and this protects your computer and your own identity so much. You can see it's currently basing my computer out of Madrid, Spain. So this is the whole tip behind it, because if you're from the United States and your computer shows that, when you log into Binance, they're going to say, hey, you're from the US, you can't use our account. You could easily switch over to any of these other countries. I've used Costa Rica before, and it doesn't matter. As long as you are on this, that's what you need. And the big update I'm going to show you when we do get to our Binance account is that you actually need to install this as an app on your cell phone, because when you're in Binance and you want to place a trade or make an order, it's going to say use your Google two-factor authentication code that is on your phone, and I'll show you how to set that up. But if you don't have your Surfshark VPN turned on with your phone, Binance will see that, hey, that cell phone is coming from the United States or the UK, and we're not going to allow it. That's what happened to my first account, and that's why I had to create this new account, and I'm showing you this video. These VPNs are literally $2.21 a month, and you get 3 months free when you buy now. So it's super simple to get this turned on. One subscription allows you to have unlimited devices, and VPNs go so much further beyond just cryptocurrency. This is going to help you block any of your computer's data, prevent hackers from getting in, or anything malicious that could possibly happen. This is the best VPN I've found, and with my discount code, you're literally getting 83% off. So once you have that downloaded and your ProtonMail set up, you're ready for the next step. You probably already have a Coinbase account if you're from the United States. Again, this is where you can get a lot of different cryptos, but not nearly as many as you can get on Binance. So you'll need your Coinbase account set up first, because you can't just go buy crypto with your US dollars on Binance.com. You need to actually send crypto from Coinbase into Binance. And if you don't have a Coinbase account, use the link in the description down below and get $10 in free Bitcoin when you sign up. Essentially, when you have your Coinbase account set up, you'll be able to link your US bank account, debit, or credit card with this account and easily spend your US dollars and turn it into crypto with this little buy/sell button right here. So I have my Chase bank account linked here. I can go ahead and buy Bitcoin. But honestly, what you're gonna wanna do, because when we send this crypto to Binance, I wanna give you the tips so you don't have to spend any transaction fees, you're gonna wanna buy EOS. So this is the crypto. It should look something like this here. You can buy $500, $1,000, whatever you wanna start your Binance account with, buy it here on Coinbase with EOS. Now, if you're from New York State or some other United States, you actually can't even buy EOS. So again, that's another reason why you need to have your VPN purchased and secured so you won't have any hiccups along the way. So after you purchase your EOS, you'll be able to scroll down a little bit, and I can see here I have $617 in EOS. So once you've set up your PROTONMAIL, you've got your Surfshark VPN, and you've purchased EOS and it's sitting here on your Coinbase account, we are ready to go into the next step, which is actually setting up your Binance account. So you can see this button right here, and I'll actually have a link right down below again for you guys to sign up, and I think you get some sort of referral or affiliate. You might get a little commission if you sign up there, but you'll be able to press register now, and you'll be able to see a screen that looks just like this. So you can see right here, Binance is asking us to put in an email address. We're gonna put in the exact one that we created here on our ProtonMail account. So I'm just gonna type in that ProtonMail email that I just created, and then I just need to make a simple password. So I got my email and password set up. Let's go ahead and press create account right now. You're gonna do this little slider thing to make sure you're not a computer or something. And then right here, it sent me a verification code over to my ProtonMail. Let's go ahead and refresh my inbox here. Here's my Binance confirm registration code. It's right here. I'm gonna copy that and I'll just paste it right in there. And then it says, welcome to Binance. Now we're not done yet. Let's press go to dashboard. There's something really important it's gonna have us do right now. So you can see it's asking security verification. Whatever you do, do not use your phone verification. Otherwise they'll immediately know your phone number is from a country that's possibly not allowed to use Binance. So we need to use Google verification. So I'll go ahead and press that. So it gives you some instructions on what to do. I'll walk you through it personally right now, but you need to go to your app store on your cell phone and download the Google Authenticator app, which looks something just like the app in the lower left corner here that says Authenticator. You see I have my Surfshark app downloaded right next to it. That's gonna be important as well, like I mentioned. Now, a super important note before we move forward with our Google Authenticator app is you need to download your Surfshark app on your cell phone and turn it on. Because if you use your Google Authenticator app and try and sync it up with Binance before you have a Surfshark VPN on your phone, Binance will recognize that your phone is from a country that's not supposed to use Binance, supposedly. So what we're gonna do is come over to our app store, and you can type in Surfshark and find the app right up there. Once you have it, you can just download it right to your phone. It should look like this. And then you can create your account so you have your Surfshark app right there and then turn it on. So you wanna make sure you do that before we move forward with the Google Authenticator app here. Then what we need to do is come into our Google Authenticator app, press the little plus button here, press scan a QR code, and then you can scan the QR code right on the screen in Binance here, and that will link you up so you have your Google Authenticator code for your Binance account, and you'll need that in case you ever make trades or you send crypto out of Binance. That's what you'll need it for right there. And now it's saying we need to enable our Google Authenticator app right now. So I'll say click to get the code. It's also gonna send me a code right back into my ProtonMail. So this is to verify my Google Authenticator app with Binance. Again, you want to have your Surfshark app on at all times whenever you use Binance. If you don't do this, you're going to have to recreate another account. And if they catch you using a Binance account and you're from a country that's not allowed to use it, it's still okay. You can get in and access your funds and still send them out, no problem. You just can't buy and sell different cryptos on Binance anymore. So that's the only thing there. I'll just come in and copy this little code they have for me here so I can enable this Google Authenticator app. And then I'll come into my Google Authenticator right now and type in the code 970033. I'll say submit. It says success up there. And now voila, we've officially set up the Binance account the proper way with our VPNs installed and everything else. Now what you can do is come over to this little wallet button up here and come down to where it says fiat and spot. And this is going to take you to the platform that shows you all the different cryptos on Binance, which is awesome. You can get Harmony One, you can get all these other coins that are really small and have yet to explode, and you can come in and get them here before they take off, because Coinbase and these other bigger platforms won't list coins until they're already big. If you want to have a possibility to make a lot of money, you can get in at these smaller coins before they've taken off so much. So when you're at this point, we actually need to fund this account. Now you remember we bought EOS earlier. Well, we can type in EOS in this little search bar here and see our EOS is right here in Binance. We're gonna come over to where it says deposit, and then I need to say get address. So I'll press that, and I've noticed this error the last time I set up an account. It won't give me the address right away. I think it's such a new account that I don't even have an address generated, so I'll just wait a second for that. And you can see the video I produced 4 months ago on how to get your VPN and Binance account set up. I left out a couple of those key things, mainly setting up the Surfshark app on your cell phone. So when you send crypto out of your Binance account, you can have a VPN on your phone, and when you use that Google Authenticator code, Binance will know that your phone is not from the United States or the UK, and they won't end up banning your account. So all I did was refresh the page, and now it's giving me my actual address here. So all you have to do is come in and copy this address here. So I'll say copy address, and then we'll come back into our Coinbase account. You can press on your EOS, and you can say send. So I could send $30, I can send $300, whatever I want to do. I'll say send to this Binance address, and you also need to make sure to put in the memo address right here. So come down and also copy the memo address here in Binance for EOS, and you paste it right there, and then you can say continue, and you will send your money into Binance. It should arrive in 4 to 5 minutes. Now, whatever you do, do not put in my information here. You'll have your own custom addresses. In the last video, I had like 5 people send me $1,000 or something because they meant to send it to their account, but they put in my information. So do not put in my information. I will send you your money back if you make that mistake, because I'm a good guy, so smash the thumbs up button for that. But I'm not gonna go through and send this money over. This was just a demo account that I set up for you. But after you're done sending it, in 4 or 5 minutes, you'll see your EOS balance is right up here at the top. And then from there, you can come to see this button that says trade. You can press EOS. So I'm gonna switch over to my main account and show you how to actually trade your EOS for any other crypto you want. Okay, so now I'm in the account I just created today, and you can see I've made a test order. I sent $30 in EOS in and traded $15 of it for BNB to indeed confirm I can make trades with this account because I've set it up with my Surfshark VPN on my computer and my phone. Now my other account that got compromised, I have like $6,000 in there. I can go ahead and press deposit on any of the cryptos I want to send my money to from that other account, and I can send all my USD Tether right into here. For instance, I can come in and copy this address, go into my other account that's not allowed to make trades anymore, and send all the money to this address where this account is allowed to trade the USD Tether for any other crypto I want. Now, I do recommend also that you trade your EOS for USDT. You can come and do that right over here where it says trade. I can say EOS and then /USDT right down there. And USDT is going to be a stable coin. So if you want to keep your money safe and not have it fluctuate so much, because the cryptocurrency markets do fluctuate a lot, you can change your EOS to USDT. So the amount of crypto you're putting in right now will stay at an average of just $1 for $1. Let's say you put in EOS right now and tomorrow EOS goes down a lot. Well, then your money sitting in your Binance account will go down a lot. If you turn it in for USD Tether, by doing this, I can say sell EOS right here. I can just scroll this bar all the way to the top, and it's gonna sell all my EOS for $14 in USD Tether. So just think of Tether USDT as 1 for 1, like $1 is 1 USD Tether. Okay, so it's that simple. I can go ahead and sell that. I'm not gonna do it right there. And also USD Tether is the #1 crypto that's used as a base trading pair to trade with any other cryptocurrency out there. A lot of times you can't just trade your EOS for a particular random altcoin. You'll need to actually turn your EOS into USD Tether and then you can use Tether to trade with any other cryptocurrency out there because it's a stable coin. So that's pretty much all you need to do. I could say sell there. And then once you have USD Tether, you can come back into your fiat and spot market wallet. And then you'd have your USD Tether right here. Now let's come up to the search icon here and say Harmony. And we can see Harmony 1 right here. Now this is not offered on Coinbase or any other mainstream crypto account. So one of the only places you can get it is here. Now if I want to come over and actually buy some of this coin, I would come to the trade icon here. I press trade. And then you see I can't trade EOS for this. I have to trade it with USDT. So that's why we could get our USDT. And then I'd be able to come down here to say buy one. It's Harmony 1, so that's the name. And I can come down and let's say I had $500 in USD Tether. I could say $500 of USDT and I'm gonna be buying 7,800 Harmony 1 tokens at the price of 0.06 cents. And you can come in, and another cool thing is I can come and look at this chart right here and see, oh, well, it's up a little higher than it was right here. This is 0.061 cents right there. I can change this 0.063 to like 0.059. So I can set an order so I buy it at an actual lower price when the market goes down, maybe while I'm sleeping or something. If I want to buy it right now, I can come in and see what the market is trading at this second. It says 0.06390. So I can zoom out and type that in, 0.06390, and then I'd be able to go ahead and just buy it right now. The order will be created and it will be filled successfully. But again, the number one thing you need to pay attention to in this video is to have your Surfshark account set up and turned on. I recommend Spain. That's a great country you can do this in right now. If there's any other problems, I just recommend going to Costa Rica or something like that and setting your computer up so your IP address looks like it's coming from there. And then also make sure you have it set up on the Surfshark app on your phone. So anytime you send cryptocurrency out of here, when Binance asks for that Google authentication code, you'll be able to have it. Make sure your Surfshark app is turned on your phone before you select your Google authentication app and put in that code to Binance. If you don't do that, you're gonna have some trouble. So you can see, for instance, I'll even come and say withdraw EOS. I can come in and type in the address. Let's say you wanna get money back to your Coinbase account. Well, I can see EOS right here. I'll come over to this button that says receive, and I'll say I understand, skip for now. And then I need to copy this EOS address and memo. So I would copy that, and then I can come in here, paste that address, and then I'll come down and grab this EOS memo as well. And then I'll say max amount. And now if I press withdraw right here, watch what happens. I'll say continue. And then it's gonna say get the email verification code from your PROTONMAIL. You say click to get code. Make sure your Surfshark app is on when you get into your PROTONMAIL again and type in this code, and also the Google verification code, which is on your phone. Again, make sure Surfshark is turned on with your phone before you type in any code here, otherwise you'll have a problem. With this done, you'll be able to send money back into your Coinbase account, and from here you can actually go and exchange your EOS for US dollars and then send it back into your own bank account when you want to cash out of your cryptocurrency. And I will have a full video, I'll link that up above for you guys or something, on how to fully sell your crypto and get out of it and get it back to your US bank account. You can see right here my US dollar amount. That's where you can send any of your cryptos, turn it into US dollars, and get it back into your bank account. A quick look at that, I can come up to press buy/sell up here. I can say sell, and I'll just be selling, $1,000 of my Ethereum Classic, and I'm depositing it into USD Cash. Once it's in that USD Cash, then it's a simple button. You can just come over to this USD, type in your amount, and then press withdraw to send the money back into your actual checking account. You see I withdrew funds to my checking account right there, that simple. So thanks again, guys. Smash the thumbs up button, share this with all your friends, and we will see you in the next video. Peace out.